I feel like I'm betraying the old girl. We've had a wonderful time together, and we're going to have many more wonderful times together, me, Echo and the rally. But today, we're putting the rally, oh, I remember to take it out of gear. We're putting the rally away, and we're off on a trip for 2 days, maybe 3 days, but 2 days is the plan. We're going to go up into the mountains of Northern Thailand. It's rain season, so beautiful blue sky and white clouds and, well, probably rain, but we hope there's not going to be too much of that. And the reason we're putting the rally away is we're going on our new machine. I believe the first batch, certainly that's appeared in the north of Thailand, of the made in Thailand Scrambler. So it's 400cc, single cylinder. It's got quite a lot more power than the Honda Rally, and I'm not going to talk about the bike too much because lots of people have done that, but we'll take you on a few rides on it, in the hills, on the roads, and show you what it's like here. Right, time to go. Come on, crack on, Arthur. We've done a whole 45 minutes since leaving home, and just outside of Chiang Rai, a place called Doi Chang, which means Elephant Mountain, and it's a coffee growing region. And in recent years there's been quite an upsurge in domestic tourism here, so there's lots of really lovely coffee places and little resorts, and well, and people come for the cool weather. We're at 1200 meters and these magnificent views, absolutely glorious. And every time I sit here I look down and you can see all the trails climbing up the mountain sides, and you can ride on any of these trails, so it's a fantastic place to explore off-road. Time for the coffee. by magic, we've moved on. And now we're away from the coffee growing and we're in the tea growing area. This is a village called Huawei and it's ethnically Chinese. There's a history to it, I'll tell you another time. But it's a tea growing area. There's lots of little tea shops. We've only stopped briefly for some noodle soup. And there are the ladies picking tea. They just pick the tips, the leaves from the top. That's the freshest. I don't want to be rude about their tea plantation, but it's not the smartest one I've ever seen. And here we are, the old favourite when you're on the road in Thailand, noodle soup. Oh, it's great, you can't beat it. Cheap as chips, nourishing, and this is a new little place. Very nice indeed. Apart from there's something happening on the roof that's slightly disturbing.
What you got there?
This is, thank you for the question, this is chilies in vinegar. This is ground chili, ground dried chili. This is chili paste, chili ground mixed with oil. You see a theme developing here. And just in case these three get to you, this is sugar, which if you're ever suffering from a burning mouth after chili, takes away the burn. And this is garlic. Delicious. Oh, look at it, it's glorious. We're heading right to the very north of Thailand now. One of these villages over here, and I'm not sure which, it's called Mae Salong. And again, it's another Chinese tea village. So it's the Chinese people that after the Civil War left China, crossed the border into Burma, upset the Burmese, came to Thailand, settled here, and made a living growing tea. And that's where we're heading now. Magnificent. Beautiful views. There's lots of these different villages. I don't know what that one is up there. That's brilliant. There's a bin. There's nothing. This is an empty road. There's no village, there's no town, there's a little path down there. And someone's gone to all this trouble to make a bin. It looks to me like whoever made it comes up here regularly for a couple of beers and a snack, because it's full of beer bottles and snack bags. Ah, wonderful. Right, come on then. we've had a beautiful day, and despite being the rain season, we had a few drops while we were on the road, but it's been lovely. It's been cloudy, kept the sun off of us. Now 4:30, 5 o'clock, the rain starts, which is not unusual that time of day, but we got a room, we got a beer, we've had a brilliant day. We're very happy with the Triumph. Talk a little bit more about that later, but for now we're just going to relax. So evening, cheers.